Hello, good day. Today I am going to teach you how to deactivate the keyboard click sound on iPhone and iPad. It is very simple. What we are going to do, first of all, is go to the device settings. Once we are in the settings, slide a little towards down until we find the sounds and apathetic menu. Once we are inside, slide down and we can quickly see the adjustment of the keyboard, that is this one here, before continuing to tell you that in the link in the description we have left you a video of less than 5 minutes where we teach you how to convert your iPhone into a productivity machine. Well, now as you see, we have two options. The first is to activate and deactivate the phone vibration, and the first is the sound. If we want it deactivate, it would already be, and if we want to activate it, it would already be there too. So nothing. This is all. See.